Good morning, children. This is next lesson of mathematics, parts and wholes. Okay. Today's topic is our flag. Here in this lesson we will learn about fractions as parts of a whole. Okay. It's a very interesting chapter. I hope you all will enjoy this. The fraction is very important for every class. Okay. So we will try to solve each and every question very easily. So let's see. Go to page number 50 plus. Go to page number 50, 50. Okay. Now here you will see our flag. Okay. The heading is our flag. Let's see what to do there. You must have seen the flag of our country. Okay. Obviously it's yes. Okay. Do you know how to draw the flag? Okay, I think you can draw very easily. So let's see how to draw this. Read this and you will do that. Draw a rectangle of length 9 centimeter and width 6 centimeter. Okay, then divide it into 3 equal parts and complete the flag. So let's see how you'll draw this. So you have the flag like this. So for this you will first make a rectangle. You will make a rectangle first like this. The length will be 9 centimeter. Okay, this is length. Okay, and the width will be 6 centimeter. Why the length is 9 and width is 6? Because the ratio of Indian flag, our flag is always 3 is to 2. 3 is to 2. The ratio is always 3 is to 2. Okay, it means the length will be 3 times and width will be 2 times of the unit. Okay, so this time the length is 9 centimeter and width is 6 centimeter. So after you will make a rectangle, then you will divide it into 3 equal parts. Okay, ये rectangle draw करने के बाद आप इसको 3 equal parts में divide कर लेंगे स्केल से measure करके. ठीक है, this will be 2 and 2 centimeter. That's very, you can measure with the scale. Okay, and then you will color it. Okay, जब आपका flag ready हो जाएगा, then you start question answer. This is the first one. Let's see. The top 1/3. 1/3. Now what is 1/3? You can write 1/3 like 1/3. We will talk about this in detail in next class. You can write 1/3 like this. 1/3. Okay, I will write 1/3 like this. 1 and 1/3. You can write like this also. 1/3. So 1/3 is just part of a whole. Okay, so let's see. The top 1/3 of our flag is saffron or orange. You can see this is 1/3. This is 1/3 of the flag. Okay, this is next 1/3 of the flag. This is next 1/3 of the flag. The full complete flag is having 3 parts, total 3 parts. That will be, and the saffron is one part of the flag. So you can say the saffron is 1/3. This is called 1/3. Okay, so this is a new number. You can say new number, new type of number. This is called fraction. We will talk about this detail, don't worry. Now what is question there? What is the color of the middle one? Sorry, what is the color of the middle 1/3 of the flag? So let's see what is the middle 1/3. Yes, this one is middle 1/3 now. What is the color? Yeah, you can see that is white. So answer will be white. Answer is white. Next question just below that. Where will you draw the Ashok Chakra? ठीक है, अशोक का चक्र जो है, अशोक चक्र, वेयर यू विल ड्रॉ दैट, जस्ट सी द अशोक चक्र इज देयर इन white portion of the flag. So answer will be the answer will be the Ashok Chakra is drawn in the white part of the flag. Okay. Next question number 3. How much of the flag will you color green? That's very easy again. How much you will color green? That is 1/3. That is again 1/3 of the flag, because we have total 3 parts in the flag. We have 3 parts, so each part is 1/3. This is 1/3, this is 1/3, this is 1/3. Okay, so the answer will be, how much of the flag will you color green? So you will write 1/3 of the flag will be colored green. Next, last one of this is the white color now less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? So what is the problem there? Yes, you can see this white part, white portion is not same as this saffron and green. Why? Because of this Ashok Chakra. You can understand this now. It is going to take some space. Okay, it means this white one is a little less than this 1/3 and this 1/3. So what will be answer? Answer will be the white portion of the flag is a little less than 1/3 of the flag. 1/3 तो देखने में लग रहा है, but it's not actually 1/3. It is because of the blue Ashok Chakra in the white part of the flag. ठीक है, this is the region. ठीक है, जो white part में जो अशोक चक्र ने जो स्पेस ले लिया है, हमने अभी एरिया के बारे में पढ़ाई किया ना, तो उसने कुछ एरिया क्या किया, व्हाइट पोर्शन का कुछ एरिया ब्लू अशोक चक्र ने कवर कर लिया है. दैट्स वाई द व्हाइट color is not 1/3 of the flag. It is little less than that. So you note down all this question answer. Next you will see just below that you will see another flag, that is the flag of Afghanistan. The flag of Afghanistan, you can see there it is also in rectangular form. So what to do there? There is some question. Now look at this flag. You can look at this flag. How much of it is black? So you can see again there are 3 parts. Okay, this one is black part, this is green part, and this is red part. You can see all the parts are equal now. This is very important. All the parts are equal. This is very important. Parts should be equal. So here you can see all the parts are equal. It means total 3 parts are there. So you can say the black one is 1/3. Okay, black one is one part. Black one is one part of the total 3 parts. You can write 1/3 for this, and we say 1/3. So the answer will be 1/3 of the flag is black. Okay, next number 2. The green part of the flag can be written as, this green part you can write as what part? Is it half part? Is it half? No. It is again 1/3. It is again 1/3. You can write 1/3 like this also. You can write 1/3 like this also. And you can write 1/3 in number also like this. So take care of this. So answer will be yes. The green part is can be written as 1/3 of the flag, that you can see very easily. Okay, in the picture. Last one is red less than 1/3 of the flag? Why? First of all, you can see this red one is again 1/3 of the flag, but it's not completely 1/3. Okay, ये देख लो ना, ये व्हाइट वाला जो ये एम्बेल्ड है ना, ये जो है इसकी वजह से कुछ ये कम होगा, थोड़ा सा कम हो जाएगा. So you can see the answer is the red color is a little less than 1/3 of the flag, because of the white emblem in the red part of the flag. Okay, so you can understand this. ठीक है, क्यों ये 1/3 से थोड़ा सा कम है? Because of this white emblem. Okay, so I think today you can understand all about 1/3. Okay, in next class we will see in detail about fractions and the next part of parts and wholes. Okay, note on all this in your notebook properly and send in your class group. Okay, take care.